Hi everybody, in this video we're talking about how to spot signs of low levels of magnesium. Watch until the end where we'll list the absolute best foods that are chock full of magnesium. Welcome to the Health How To channel where we talk about some great life hacks and easy tips to achieve better health. Please subscribe and share your best tips that you have found to be helpful for raising your magnesium levels so that we can all benefit in our own personal journey to better health. If you're watching this video, you probably already know how important magnesium is for your body. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a large role in producing energy. It also helps calm down our anxiety and racing thoughts. Magnesium is also involved in building bone and regulating muscle and nerve functions. Magnesium is most commonly tested with a blood test, but blood tests may not be the best way of determining your magnesium levels because less than 1% of magnesium is stored in your blood. Instead, 60% of your magnesium is stored in bone and the rest in your soft tissues and muscles. You may also be able to test for magnesium levels in urine tests. If you have low levels of magnesium in your body for a long time, you could start to have problems with your bones, brain function, nerve and muscle function, and your digestion. Here are 6 early signs that you may have low levels of magnesium. Number 1, difficulty falling asleep. Number 2, persistent fatigue. Number 3, nausea. Number 4, migraines. Number 5, loss of appetite. And number 6, muscle weakness. Later, as the deficiency gets worse, you could see the next 4 signs. Number 1, tingling in your hands or feet. Because magnesium supports nerve function, a lack of magnesium could produce numbness or tingling. Of course, there are many other conditions that can cause nerve symptoms, so be sure to check with your doctor. Number 2, muscle cramping or muscle spasms, especially at night. This is when you may find that a supplement before bedtime can help. Number 3, mood disorders like depression or anxiety or feeling emotionally numb. Some studies reported a link between patients with depression and low magnesium, perhaps because of its involvement with brain processes. Number 4, heart arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat, also commonly known as heart palpitations. Calcium causes the heart to contract while magnesium causes a relaxation of the heart muscle fibers. So you can see how low levels of magnesium could cause a fast or irregular heartbeat. And finally, 3 long-term signs that you may have low levels of magnesium or would benefit from magnesium supplementation. Number 1, heart disease. There is a strong link between those with congestive heart failure and lower levels of magnesium. Number 2, osteoporosis or weak bones. Remember, magnesium is stored in the bone and is an essential process to building and maintaining a strong skeleton. Because there are no warning signs of osteoporosis, the first clue that you may have osteoporosis is a bone fracture. Bones that are particularly vulnerable are the spine, hip, wrist, and shoulder. Number 3, type 2 diabetes. Low levels of magnesium have been linked with poor insulin resistance. Why would you have low magnesium in the first place? There are a number of different conditions or factors. Number 1, a diet that is low in nutrients like highly processed fast food, or a diet that is low in plant fiber. Number 2, if you have type 2 diabetes, high blood sugar and insulin resistance are strongly associated with low magnesium levels. Number 3, gastrointestinal conditions like Crohn's, irritable bowel, or celiac disease. Number 4, kidney problems stop magnesium from being absorbed in the intestines as effectively. Since kidneys regulate magnesium absorption in your intestines, then having kidney disease can prevent you from using the magnesium in your diet. Number 5, side effect of long-term use of some medications like for ulcers or gastric reflux or diuretics. Number 6, long-term alcohol abuse. Number 7, being pregnant. Number 8, being older. Number 9, being hospitalized or having had a recent surgery. So if you're deficient in magnesium, should you just take a pill or magnesium powder? You could, but unless it's been prescribed by your healthcare provider, you can run into problems with harmful toxicity. The beauty about getting your magnesium with real food is that you don't need to worry about taking too much. Adults need about 400 milligrams of magnesium per day. Nuts and seeds have the highest amounts of natural magnesium, followed by whole grains, beans, and leafy greens. Here are the top 10 magnesium-rich foods from most to least. Number 1, pumpkin seeds. Number 2, almonds. Number 3, spinach. Number 4, cashews. Number 5, peanuts. Number 6, soy milk. Number 7, black beans. Number 8, edamame. Number 9, dark chocolate. And number 10, avocado. Only 30 to 40% of magnesium that you get through food is actually absorbed. So if you're looking for more ways to increase how well you absorb magnesium, consider the following tips. Number 1, avoid combining magnesium with calcium-rich foods like cheese, milk, and yogurt. Space your milk and magnesium about 2 hours apart. Number 2, go outside and get some natural vitamin D from the sun. If you live somewhere that doesn't get a lot of daylight or during winter, then consider vitamin D supplements. Number 3, try eating your vegetables raw. Number 4, avoid high dosage zinc supplements. Number 5, and finally, quit smoking. So when should you take a supplement? As you get into your 60s, your body doesn't absorb magnesium as well. Your doctor may then suggest a magnesium supplement in this case. There are mainly 3 different types of magnesium formulations. They can come in liquid, powder, or tablet format. Once again, to absorb it better, try to not take it with calcium or zinc. Number 1, magnesium chloride. Number 2, magnesium citrate. And number 3, magnesium oxide. It's easier to digest magnesium chloride and citrate. Again, ask your doctor about the correct dosage for your unique situation. One bonus of supplements is that it can help with constipation. How do you know when you've taken too much magnesium powder? When you get the opposite of constipation, and that's diarrhea. A bedtime magnesium supplement can also help with insomnia because it promotes a sense of calm relaxation. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any health how-to videos where we talk about easy ways to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.